Remove the cam sprocket, hold the cam chain and then remove the cylinder head gasket. Ensure to hold the cam chain and prevent it from falling into the left crankcase cover, or else this may lead to lock the crankshaft from rotating. Remove dowel pins. Remove cam chain guide. Hold the cam chain and then remove the cylinder. Always ensure that the connecting rod does not fall freely on the crankcase while removing the cylinder. Place the cylinder on a soft surface sideways. Always place the cylinder on a soft surface, resting sideways to avoid damage to the liner. Ensure that the cam chain does not fall into the left crankcase. Place a shop towel under the piston covering the crankcase open end. Always place a shop towel to prevent the piston pin clip from falling inside the crankcase. Now using a circlip extractor, remove the piston pin clip. Push the piston pin from the opposite side and remove the piston. Use a suitable shaft with blunt end for sliding out the piston pin to avoid scoring of piston pin boss. Always place the piston upside down to avoid damage on the skirt edge. Remove dowel pins.